Hi all, thank you very much to joining with me another one video. In this video, we are going to look how we can configure a company within a Sage X3. Let me open my Sage X3 and we can find out that function or program of company under organizational structure, and this program will allow you to create your company and the relevant information that we can define within this program. So let me click new, and in this field, the company field, it's a unique field that you can identify your company. So it's a maximum you can give 5 character to this field, but you can better, it would be just reduce that character of your company, which will help you in some time when you are creating the sequence number for your transaction data or document. So here I am giving a code KSA, and I am saying that my company is ABC Trading Limited, and short description I am giving ABC, which will come in your reporting section. And under general tab, you can see here there is a checkbox legal company. So legal company, if you are clicking this checkbox, that means all the your transactions, balances, and JV effect, everything you will get under this company. If you are unchecking this, that means this company is just for simulation purpose or your analytical reporting purpose, you can use it. So here I am clicking as this is my legal company, and legislation, it's a company's legislation specific. So my legislation is BRI, and registered capital is I'm saying it, since it's a Saudi Arabian company, I'm saying SAR. And if you can give that some text information for this company, and the main site you can tag it here under this company. But next video we will look how we can create the site, and the country is Saudi Arabia, and you can give the tax ID number for your company and VAT number for your company. These are optionals. And the same another one thing, you can give a logo of your company by clicking that to identify any logo from your system, and you can give it. So here now I am just leaving, I'm not giving the logo, but you can give it, you can drag and drop facility also is there, you can drag and drop. And the second tab, account tab level, you can see that under financial, here we will define some important information. So one is accounting core model. I hope that you watched my previous video. If you are not watched that previous, please watch the accounting core model video. You can find that under my YouTube channel playlist under organizational structure. So we already created a account core model. So I'm just selecting for this company, my accounting core model is KSA, which will have all my ledger information, all my chart of account information, and my dimension information. And here we how to give a date to that company, that means when you need to do the transaction from the system. Let's assume that you are implementing a Sage X3 for a company where their actual transaction is happened from January 1, 2019, but you are implementing in the middle of the year. But if the client, they need that history data from January onwards, then definitely you have to select that date. Otherwise you can go with the latest date with the trial balance opening. but here I am saying that my date is 1 2019, and accounting currency is SAR, which is coming from my accounting core model, because in accounting core model case we already defined the accounting currency is SAR. And here another one field is accounting code. Please watch my previous video about how we can create accounting code entry transaction. Then only system will allow you to go and define your accounting code. So let me go and create an accounting code for this company. That means why we need this accounting code is there are cases when functions of closing a company for year wise, that time system needs some accounts to balances of that year profit and loss uh, entries to the retaining account. So here I am saying that this is the type is company, and I am giving that STD as a standard, or you can give any code according to your wish or your company client requirement. So it's I'm saying that company accounting code, and here I am seeing that company's standard accounting code. And in this detail section there are accounting type and listed, that is around 7 accounting types are there. But where the important thing is mandatory fields are profit and loss account, that is mandatory. That means without this information you cannot record this, you cannot create this accounting code. So I have already created the profit and loss account under my accounts. I will show you. I created a retaining account which will start the 300300. Please watch my financial accounting series, where you will understand more about the structure of your account. And there will be definitely another video will be there to how we can create the accounts. But to continue with the company, I already created this accounts for our purpose, and here I selected, that means profit and loss account for this company. Okay, I'm just creating this account accounting code, and you can see that from the left list there is an accounting for the company with this information. uh, so here I selected my accounting code, and under parameter you can see that there is a retention. If you want to maintain a retention based on your company, you can check the retention. What is retention? That definitely another one video will be there in upcoming video sessions. There we will discuss what that benefit you will get about retention. And another one important thing, under dimension you can see that there are two dimension default listed in this is nothing but you already tagged those dimension under ledger. That ledger we already tagged to the accounting core model based on that system listed. But another information what we can give it here is that this department, whether you need in company level mandatory or not, that you can decide it. That means whenever doing a transaction in the system will ask, this is a mandatory field for field, and you need to tag that. Here I am selecting yes, these are the two dimension I need it, and this dimension we will tag to the accounts. Whenever you will select an account in a transaction, system will check in company level whether this particular dimension is mandatory or not against this account, and the system will perform according to that mandatory control. And here you can see that one information upstream entry. This is nothing but when there is a sub ledger posting happening from a subledger. That means when you are doing an AP invoice entry in the line level, whether you need this dimension to select or not. If you don't want, you can select it no, but it better it should be, you need to make it yes. Then address tab, you can give that company address. Definitely that company should have an address. So this is, I'm saying that head office, and you can say that the country and the description, another address of your company, area one, then location two. This is about your company and everything. You can give this information. This information you need to fill it. This will help you when you will print AP invoice or AR invoice or sales invoice or purchase wherever you record that address of this company. Yes, this will help you. And definitely a company will have bank ID information, that country wise you can specify your bank ID information. This will help you in reporting purpose as well. Then contact, that is nothing but within the company you will have the contact details of your management level people, saying that Mr. I'm saying that Reggie, sorry, last name I'm saying Thomas and Richie, and you will tag that he is belongs to which function and which department. You can say that IT department or something, or management level, that you can tag it and roll in within this company you can give, and the date of birth you can give. And another one tab is here, it is site is there, that information now it's not listed because till now we not created any site under this company. Next video we are going to cover how to create that site under this company. That time you can come here and view the site structure under this company. So this is the general information that you can give to create a company within Sage X3. So I'm just creating that my company, and system is saying that one information, it's a three character, you can read it, and according to that you can perform whether you need to wish to continue or not. But I am okay with that 3 digit. For me it's more than okay. I'm saying yes. So system now it will create the company according to the definition what we given. So from the left list, yes, we can see your company. So under a study folder we create one company, but system will allow you to create n number of companies under F4 under the study purpose or any folder that you wish to continue. So this is about today's video. I hope that you understand how to create the company. But definitely I would say that you have to uh, watch my previous videos to understand more what is accounting core model, and inside accounting how that ledger and how the chart of accounts, how the dimensions, and so on. So if you have any doubt in how to create or the company, or how to, is there any doubt related with previous videos, please send mail to me. Uh, that it will help, improve our experience within Sage X3. So once again, thank you very much. Please share this video to your friend circle. Thank you. Thank you very much.